and grateful to the organizer, Halam Youth Association. This is the second time I attend this conference. And you know, Halam are the major tribe in our state. Halam include, there are many tribes, Rangkhol, Koloi, Rupini, Molsom, then that include the Halam communities. So they have their own identity, they have their own culture. And now I really appreciate the Halam Youth Association. The young generation is coming up to preserve their culture, to maintain their tradition. So this is a sign of unity, is because the young generation is to respect their culture, their tradition. That is what a very good sign. So today this NG Para, the Ambassa, they have organized very nicely, and hopefully it will go in the next future. This organization will develop more, and I met many senior leaders, many senior citizens of Halam community, and they are all united. And I pray that this organization can lead the society in the near future. Thank you.